In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Outlook emails directly from your browser in our full 2025 guide. Whether you're switching to a new service, safeguarding your data, or just want to make sure your emails are stored securely, backing up your emails is an essential task. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to do just that with ease and efficiency. First, let's start by opening Outlook in your browser. Head over to outlook.office.com and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the top right corner and click on Settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, select View All Outlook Settings. Here, you'll see various categories, but the one we're interested in is Mail. Click on it, and within this list, find and select Sync Email. This ensures you've got everything set up for a seamless backup, especially if you're managing multiple accounts. Now, if you're using the Outlook desktop app in addition to your browser, you'll want to add the same account to make sure everything's synced correctly. This integration provides a more cohesive backup experience by leveraging the desktop app's capabilities for exporting data, which we'll dive into next. With both browser and desktop apps synchronized, let's move into the Outlook desktop app. Open it up and navigate to File located at the top left corner. From there, select Open and Export, and then choose Import Export. This menu gives us access to a variety of data management options. For the purpose of backing up your emails, opt for Export to a File. Afterward, choose Outlook Data File.pst. A PST file will contain all your selected email data in a structured manner. Next, you'll need to decide which folders you want to back up. This might include your inbox, sent items, or any custom folders you've created over time. Select these folders and then designate a destination on your computer where you'd like to save the backup file. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Finish to complete the export process. It's that straightforward. To wrap up, here are a couple of things to keep in mind. One major advantage of this method is that it provides a comprehensive backup, including all folders and attachments, which is invaluable if you need to restore your emails later. On the downside, this approach requires the Outlook desktop app, meaning it's not entirely browser-based. But by following these steps, you can rest assured that all your emails are safely backed up, giving you peace of mind. And there you have it. You've successfully backed up your Outlook emails from the browser, utilizing both browser and desktop functionalities for a complete backup experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful tech